Give me just 1 minute, and I'll change the way you think about starting. You keep telling yourself you'll begin tomorrow. Tomorrow when you have more confidence, more time, more motivation. But tomorrow keeps moving, and so do your dreams. Here's what most people never realize. The fear isn't coming from the work itself. It's coming from your imagination. Your brain keeps showing you failure before you've even taken the first step, so you stay where it's comfortable. But comfort has a price. It quietly steals months, then years, until one day you realize you've been preparing more than you've been living. Here's the truth. You don't become confident before you start. You become confident because you start. So don't think about finishing. Don't think about being perfect. Just make the first move. Open the document, send the message, do one push-up, read one page, because action creates momentum, and momentum destroys fear. One small step today is worth more than 1,000 perfect plans tomorrow. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. Start now, and let the first step become the beginning of everything.